What's good, YouTube? We back with another video, man. And today we just gonna be doing, I gotta get a car wash. This car on the outside is filthy. Do a little POV drive and get a little update video, cause I had a little process where I was doing the logs for the custom tune that I did for the 340. Let me show y'all how dirty it is, though. Hold on. Let me show y'all how crazy. I ain't washed it in a minute just cause it's been raining like every other day. Shit's filthy, man. Look at that. Oh, don't mind the tire scratch. Yeah, this shit is dirty. Better get it washed up, though, for sure. She is dirty all the way around. Look at this. But yeah, right now I'm finna go take it to car wash. I would do it myself, but it's just been crazy cold out here and ain't got time to be dealing with a pressure washer. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all when we get to the car wash. Hey, we back, man. I just made it to the car wash, but I'm gonna give y'all a little update on what's going on with the car. So I just not too long ago finished the logs for it, to get it right. And I got it to where I want it, but the tires I got right now, they're not hooking at all. So I got some 275.
Boy, if you don't get...
Got some 275, 85, and 19s on the car. But I'm planning to get a drag pack. That's in the process right now. Coming very soon, actually. But step I'm going to take. And then after that, I'm going to do just aesthetic stuff for the car, like front lip, side skirts, diffuser, maybe carbon hood. I don't know yet. Maybe that's in further in the future. But yeah, that's the plan for the car. I'm at Freetown Car Wash. Boys getting it right for me every time. And yeah, comment down below what videos y'all want me to make. Something that's interesting y'all want me to do for the car. So gotta be creative though. Man, yeah, this POV drive, I gotta put this GoPro little headset on and have me looking crazy around through the city. I like a miner. I'm finna go in a cave or some shit. Wide body. Got it looking good though. Tire shine already splashing. Damn. Glad I take that. Got the wheels looking nice. What y'all think? Hey, we just finished getting the car clean. Finna show y'all what it looking like. They be doing straight on it just for it to be $20. Damn, that shit splashed already. This tire shine shit crazy. Man, just gonna take a spin around the city right quick. Traffic kinda tight. Finally got the logs done. Now, bro, I'm just waiting on trying to find a drag pack out here because this thing does not hold traction at all. Shit's crazy. It will not hold traction through second, third barely, but it's at nighttime, the road's not hot. Nope. I'm running 275, 45s right now, but yeah, they kind of wearing down. Time for me to get some new tires anyway. So I might as well get me a little drag pack with it. But as far as like updates on the vehicle, man, all I'm doing for real is just finna do maintenance for this. I'm gonna keep it like at this pilot for a little bit. Y'all know I'm gonna try the DI route at first, then you know get all I can out of that, then do a port system later on. But right now I'm probably just gonna do maintenance stuff like supportive mods to keep the vehicle running 100%. And cause I do daily this thing, but riding through UNCG. But yeah, I do daily this thing, so I just wanna, you know, keep it up to you know, performing as it should. But I'm probably just gonna do aesthetic mods too, like as far as front lip, side skirts, diffuser, eventually carbon the hood, then paint that. I plan on wrapping this later on too, but immediate plans for this, yeah, probably just enjoy it, take it on a couple spins, find a couple people. Find a couple people to run, maybe. Never know. Supposed to be a meet out here soon that I'm planning on getting a good YouTube video for. Might find a couple runs out there, you never know. But even if we don't, still gonna be good content. I need a couple people, show y'all a couple different builds out here. Crazy. I try to turn the exhaustive wraps off, but MHD doesn't even allow you to. It's just OEM long or short wraps. So stuck with the OEM. Turbo whistling crazy. Like, I just love enjoying driving this car, but just something that I work to build up on my own. It's mine. I love it. Still drive smooth, a little torquey on the bottom end, but that's all 340s. Especially XHP Tune Stage 3. Hope the wind ain't too crazy for y'all like to hear the car. But yeah, y'all leave a comment in the comment section telling me what y'all want to see on the channel, man. What we got coming next, got a couple things coming next. Terrible. Can't really do nothing because you flying to every corner of the car, every 2 feet. It's potholes, dips in the road. It just rained out here last night. It was raining for all day. Matter of fact, more last night. It was raining all day, all last night. Just pouring. I just washed the car too. It was pointless of doing that. Inside still look clean though. Got a couple of pieces of trash, but you know, it's a car at the end of the day. Ugh. Damn. Coming up through A&T, you know. Glad we on spring break, man. This work was killing me. Man, this accounting class I got, bro. 4 assignments due in 1 day every week. And that's just one class, I got 4. Just so happened in my marketing class, got work due on the same day, so I'll be having like 8 to 10 assignments due on Tuesdays. But man, hey, it's all for the greater good. Almost out of here. I'm a junior. Gonna get this shit done. So yeah, being in college and everything, doing videos, makes it harder to stay consistent. But like, really, bro, if you really wanted to, so I'm calling out myself too. If you really wanted to, bro, you could get it done, bro. You just gotta find love for your passion. That's all you have to do. There's a campus police behind you. Where he pulling up? But it's a weekday. I mean, it's a weekend. Nice Saturday on college. You ain't gonna really find too many people out on Saturdays. Just cause it's cold. But like when it warms up, people can really be outside. I remember my freshman year, I used to stay in this building right here, bro. This is the trenches. Roaches taking showers with you, cold water. Niggas fucking up the toilet, got one toilet working. Beds and shit. But yeah, rooms the size of my car. Yeah, it's pretty dead out here though. It's a beautiful campus, but that freshman year was crazy. Didn't have a car, but we made it though. Niggas done came up. Shit sound like a spaceship. She just pulled out in front of me for no reason. Dumbass. Slight bit of road rage. Nothing too much. It They just had a probate yesterday, so you see a lot of people in like fraternity or sorority gear. This shit. That shit's crossing. Burbles just be OD sometimes. Like, I just be trying to drive. I even hear burbles on comfort, like just starting it up and slowing down, just burbles. I hate this exit. So skinny. Gotta hit it though when you get on this shit to catch up with traffic.
The fuck? No!
Shit, boy. Wrong time to do a pull, huh? Woo. We good though. Please don't be getting on the highway. Please don't.